How to change the ChatGPT voice type. So it's pretty simple. Open your ChatGPT app. Once you are here in the left down corner area, click on your name. And here you want to open settings. Now simply go to general and find the option voice. Here you can play your current voice. So now it's for Juniper.
Hey there. I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up.
And if you click here, you can choose another voice type. So for example, the breeze, you can play it
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking.
and you can select, for example, amber.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running.
There are many male or female voice types. So you can select and choose which one you want.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together.
And now if you speak to your ChatGPT, he will use this voice. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.